Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a remarkable product that we recently came across, the EUHOMY 60-inch electric fireplace with remote control. We've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the EUHOMY electric fireplace? This stunning 60-inch electric fireplace is designed to be both stylish and versatile. It can be recessed into the wall, semi-embedded, wall-mounted, or even used as a freestanding unit. Its ultra-thin design makes it a perfect addition to any room, seamlessly blending with various home decor styles while offering an eye-catching focal point. Now, let's talk about its standout features. One of the most appealing aspects of the EUHOMY electric fireplace is its adjustable flame color and brightness. With 12 different flame colors and LED fuel bed options, you can customize the ambience to your liking. Plus, it offers 5 levels of brightness, so whether you want a soft glow for a romantic evening or a bright flame for a cozy gathering, this fireplace has you covered. The realistic flame display, complemented by logs and crystal decorations, creates an inviting atmosphere no matter the season. And if you prefer, you can enjoy the flames without any heat, perfect for those warmer days when you still want to capture that cozy vibe. Another significant advantage of this electric fireplace is its ease of use. It comes with a remote control that allows you to adjust the flame color, timer, heating temperature, and flame switch effortlessly. This means you can set the mood from the comfort of your couch without having to get up. And if noise is a concern, you'll appreciate that this unit operates quietly, ensuring your relaxation is uninterrupted. Now, who is this product suitable for? The EUHOMY electric fireplace is perfect for homeowners looking to add a stylish and functional heating solution to their living space. Whether you're renovating your home, updating a cozy den, or simply want to add ambience to your family room, this fireplace fits the bill. It's also great for those who live in apartments or smaller homes, where traditional fireplaces may not be feasible. Let's explore some practical use cases for this electric fireplace. Imagine hosting a dinner party in your living room with the flames flickering in the background, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Or consider curling up with a good book on a chilly evening, the fireplace providing both light and warmth. If you want to enjoy the aesthetics in summer, you can turn on the flame display without heat, allowing you to create that cozy environment year-round. The versatility of installation methods also means you can find the perfect setup that works for your space, whether it's mounted above a media console or freestanding in a corner. In terms of quality, the EUHOMY electric fireplace is built to last, featuring oversized black heat-resistant tempered glass panels that enhance its durability while adding a sleek touch. Plus, their commitment to customer support means you can reach out anytime if you have questions or need assistance, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. In conclusion, the EUHOMY 60-inch electric fireplace with remote control is not just a heating solution, it's a stylish addition that enhances any space while providing customizable comfort. Whether it's the adjustable flame effects or the ease of operation, this fireplace is designed to cater to your needs throughout the year. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to